Hey, what's going on, funnel fillers? Today we're going to talk about YouTube videos that work. In fact, I'm going to be breaking down day 3 in the affiliate bootcamp with Joe Marfoglio, and he talks about YouTube, using YouTube to drive traffic and really creating YouTube videos that your audience will click on and watch all the way through, because that's the most important thing, right? So what I wanted to do was basically give you 10, like the top 10 big ideas that he presented. In fact, I wrote down 3 of his big ideas, and then really I came up with the rest on my own just because I'm a YouTube guy myself. So I agree with everything he said in his presentation. I just wanted to say it in my own way. So I really took 3 points from him that stood out the most and provided me a lot of value, and I hope they provide you a lot of value as well. But if you want the his whole presentation, you definitely want to sign up for the affiliate bootcamp. It's totally free to sign up, and there's great information in there. In fact, Joe is a super affiliate of ClickFunnels, and it's a ClickFunnels training program. Again, totally free. You don't have to sell ClickFunnels afterwards, but the information in there will help you sell anything. If you want to be affiliate for anything else, or if you're just trying to sell your own product, the information in there is super amazing, really valuable stuff. Again, totally free. I'll leave a link down below where you can sign up. A bunch of super affiliates in there give you their ideas on how to be a super affiliate, basically. Really cool stuff, so definitely check it out. But I want to get into this and give you 10 really good tips for YouTube videos, okay? So if you're like me and you like driving your traffic from YouTube into your sales funnels, this is the video for you. So the first thing that I really took from Joe was he talked about ROI. We know what that is, right? Return on investment versus ROT. Now, this is the first time I heard ROT. That's why I wanted to share it with you guys. And it was return on time, okay? And he talked about, because we're creating videos and we've got a lot to do, we have to understand that our return on time is valuable, because our time is very valuable. It's a valuable asset, right? So even though we're trying to gain organic traffic sometimes in our YouTube channel, because that means we don't have to spend a lot of money, we can grow a channel and get organic traffic for free. We still have to worry about our return on time. We don't want to be spending all day, every day, trying to create some valuable content and not get a good return on it. So we have to focus on return on time. And obviously, if we're spending ads, we got to worry about return on investment or return on ad spend, okay? So something to think about. I never heard that term. That's why I wanted to bring it up. I thought it was good stuff. Number 2, he said, you don't know crap about YouTube. That's what he told me. And I said, no, Joe, I'm a YouTube guy. I know about YouTube. And he said, no, listen, crap, okay? It stands for something. It's an acronym. It's click, retention, attention, and promotion, okay? Write it down. Click, retention, attention, and promotion, okay? That's what you're trying to do with YouTube videos. You want to get the click, so you have to have a good thumbnail and a good title, because if you don't get your video clicked, it's just going to get buried lower and lower. If people will see it, it comes up in the search results, people see it and don't click it, YouTube's going to go, oh, people don't like this. So they bury it further, further, further. Next thing you know, you never show up. Okay, so first things first, you got to get the click with a good thumbnail and a good title. Retention and attention, I'm going to put those together. And that's just grabbing the viewer's attention and keeping them, retention, right? Keeping them as long as possible through the video. If people are clicking on your video and they only watch for like 5 seconds, they click on it and they go, oh no, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about, and they click out, your video is not going to do well, right? So you got to grab their attention right away. Hey, this is what I'm going to tell you, okay? Grab their attention, hook them, right? We hear about hook, story, offer a lot in the ClickFunnels community. So grab their attention, hook them, and then keep them as long as possible. So you want to speak fast and you want to have good content the whole time and not have many big breaks in your speaking or in your presentation that you're giving, right? And then the last one is promotion. How are you going to grow your channel, but also how are you going to take the viewer to the next step, which is your sales funnel? Promote what you have, promote your offer, right? So you want to have a verbal call to action as well. Number 3 kind of ties into that, and it's a value proposition, that is. So you want to have something that you're offering the viewer, right? So like I said, you need a verbal call to action. This goes into the P, the promotion, right? So you want to have something to exchange them for either their email or for money, right? If you want to take them straight to a sales page and say, hey, trade me some money for this product, that's cool as well. Or if you want to take them to a lead magnet page where you're going to give them something, a value proposition, in exchange for their email. But you got to have that proposition to give them, okay? Some people call it value proposition. Some people call it lead magnet. There's different terms for it. Whatever it is, you got to have that thing to offer them, right? You have to have an offer. That's basically what it is. So you got a hook and an offer, right? You also need a story if you know anything about ClickFunnels. So now, like I said, those were the top 3 things that I took from Joe. And then I kind of went on my own because, again, I do know YouTube and I just wanted to say it in my own words. But this is some good stuff that I think you guys will find valuable as well. In the beginning, you want to make sure that you set up your banner, your channel trailer, and your description, right? Your links and all that stuff. Super important because I see a lot of new channels. They're posting content and stuff, and they might have their little icon image or their logo, or just a picture of their face or whatever. But then when you get there, some of them don't even have that. They just get the letter that YouTube gives them, right, in the little circle. We don't want that. You want to look professional. If you're really trying to do this and you're trying to make money online, you got to be professional. So spend a little money on Fiverr.com. They'll make whatever you need. I had this logo made for this channel. It's a really cool logo. The guy blew it out in the park. $5, well, $6 or $7. They charge you like an extra $1 or $2 to the company. But it was amazing. First shot, he nailed it. He made the F's look like a funnel. It's called Full Funnel Club. And he made 2 F's going back to back. And it looks like a funnel. And I was like, this is amazing. He just knocked that out of the park. First try, $7. I couldn't be happier. So, get that made. Also get your channel banner made, okay? Pay someone to do that as well. I'm telling you, there's super talented people over there, and it only takes a little bit of effort. Tell them what you want and let them do the work. They're the artistic ones. I'm not that artistic, so let them make use something professional looking and put it up there. Also, fill out your description. Put your keywords in there. Put all your links up there as well. It really helps build your authority on YouTube, and YouTube likes it, so it's gonna push you up higher. You got to have that stuff. Don't wait to put that, because you'll never put it up, and then you're just going to be struggling. And even if you're putting up great content, that doesn't matter because it doesn't look official, and YouTube doesn't see you as official either. So they're gonna punish you for that. Number 5 is keyword research. Right? I made a video on this recently, so I'll leave a link down below where you can watch that one. I really go in depth on how to do some great keyword research in your niche and find the best keywords for your YouTube channel. So again, after this video, watch that one because it's very valuable information. I'm not going to go too in depth on this one, but there's a great tool that you could use, totally free online. It's called keywordtool.io. You go there, you click on YouTube up at the top, you type in what you think your keyword is, and it'll bring up a bunch of different examples. And then you can kind of strategize from there and break off and make new ideas. And then they'll just give you lists and lists of stuff that you could have to kind of build upon. Again, I'm not going to go too deep in this, but it's super important because if your videos are not findable, then they're not going to be able to get clicked on. If you don't get found and you don't get clicked, you can't keep their attention and you can't retain them, and then you can't promote them, and in return you can't make any money. So it all starts with having some good keyword research. So watch that video when you're done with this one. Number 6 is shoot the videos and supporting videos. So there's a strategy that I use on my baseball channel, which has over 154,000 subscribers. This is not my only channel. We actually got a few YouTube channels out there that I use to drive traffic into sales funnels. But on that one of the big strategies that has worked really well is I find the best keywords, and then the longer tail keywords. What I do is I'll make videos for them. They don't have to be as good or as fancy or have as much of a call to action or anything. They're just more supporting videos, more engaging with the community and my subscribers and answering questions. And those are all linked back to the main keyword video, which that one I shoot really professionally. I have a camera crew come out. I make sure it's on point, it's scripted. I know what I'm saying. I've got a great call to action, and I know it's going to convert. And then I link all of those other videos back to that one, which really blows that one up, takes it to the top of the keyword rankings, and that's a really great video. So now a lot of new people are seeing that one, coming in, subscribing, getting on my email list, and going through the process and getting sales from them. But the other supporting videos are more for the people who have been there and are subscribed, and they don't initially actually want to join the email list again because they've already been there, they've already done that. I'm just providing massive value to them, but I'm also using that link juice to boost the main video. So that's a great strategy that I use. So all right, shoot 2 types of video. So those are the 2 types. Your main keyword one, your big promotion video. And there's gonna be a bunch of those big promotion videos around different keywords, right? But then you've got the longer tail keywords around that keyword, linking back to that one to boost it up for the main keyword, if that makes sense. I'll have to make a video more in depth about that strategy because it's a really golden strategy and can make you a lot of money. Number 7, we are talking about make ranking video for top 5 keywords. Okay, so that was in this one. I put 2 together, okay? So make ranking video. So that's the ranking video I was talking about, the big promotion video. So that's basically the same strategy. This was to shoot the supporting content, and this is to make the ranking videos around your main keywords, okay? Number 8, give your channel a jump start, right? Because in the beginning, I see a lot of channels, they start posting up valuable content, really good stuff, but they don't really boost their channel, and they just kind of stay down there 1, 2, 3, 5 views, 8 views, 10 views. They never really grow. They got the right idea. They're putting up consistent, valuable content, but they're just not growing. You got to give your channel a jump start. You got to boost it up, okay? There's 2 ways to do this. One is organically, and the other is with ads. Now, this channel, actually, when I started with 0 subscribers, obviously. Even my 154,000 subscriber channel started with 0 subscribers. But it took me about a week, just over a week, to get 100 subscribers, okay? And I did this all organically just to show that you can do it organically. Now my videos are getting, you know, between 20 views and 100 views. And that's not a lot, but in the beginning, it is. Like I said, you see channels all the time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 views. It's building over time. How I did it was I subscribed to other channels like in my niche that were very similar, and then I just engaged with people on there. I also talked to people on Facebook who were in the same niche, right? So I'm engaging with them, I'm talking in the DMs, and then just organically as it comes up, I'll send a link in the DM. Now, I'm not just spamming everyone to go subscribe to my channel. I'm not going to other channels and go sub for sub, sub for sub. These are not high quality followers. You want high quality subscribers to your channel, because if you just got a bunch of fake people who aren't really watching your video, YouTube knows that and they're going to penalize you for that, okay? So you want genuine people who are actually interested in your channel and the value that you provide, right? So that's what I did. If you look at my channel, the 100 people that are here are very valuable. They're commenting, they're watching it. I'm getting, my subscriber to view ratio is very good, and the engagement is very good for just having 100 subscribers. So that's what you want to do to grow organically. If you're going to use ads, which my strategy from 100 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, which means I can monetize my channel from 100 to 1,000, is going to be ads. So I wanted to show the 2 differences: how to do it organically, and also how to do it with ads, and do it quickly with ads. Because with ads, you can do it very quickly. So with ads, all you want to do is find a great video that is doing well. People like it. You're getting a lot of crap from it, if you will, crap. And then also it's converting well to your funnel, right? So you want to find that video and then spend some money on it, okay? You can spend a few months putting money towards this video and get tens of thousands of views to that video, which will grow your channel rapidly, okay? So that's another great way to jumpstart, but you got to jumpstart it. If you just keep putting up content, you're never going to get the momentum going and start the ball rolling. YouTube is very big on momentum. Like my baseball channel, this 154,000 subscribers, it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Now I can, if I wanted to, I could literally just post videos and it would still grow, just because I got the momentum going. But at first, you gotta jumpstart it. You gotta jumpstart it either organically if you don't have any money, or throw some ad money at it, okay? You can grow it a lot faster with ads. Number 9, stay consistent. Consistency is key. In fact, I got a great formula for you guys. Ready? This is the formula. I want you to write this down. It's the most important thing you're going to watch in this whole video. It is VC plus O times F equals money. That's the most important thing that you can learn in this whole video right here. VC equals valuable content. You got to create valuable content. IO, so VC plus IO. IO is irresistible offer. So if you're creating valuable content with an irresistible offer built in, and then you times that by F, F is frequency or consistency. Frequency, you're going to equal money, right? So valuable content, you provide the viewer with valuable content. You have an irresistible offer at the end, a call to action. Hey, if you want to learn more about how to make money online, check out my free ebook in the first link down in the description below. I don't really have that for you, but that's an example, okay? They will go down there, click on it, give you their email for your free ebook. Now you've got an irresistible offer for them. Or it could be a straight sales page. You can take them straight to a sales page, but the offer is to give them something for their email or something in exchange for money. But you have to have an irresistible offer tied to your valuable content. And if you do that with a high frequency, if you're doing it every day, your chances of hitting and making money are much, much better, okay? So this is very important. Remember this one. If you don't remember anything else, remember that one. Super, super important. And last but not least, is to start. Start now. I see so many people talking about, wanting to have a YouTube channel and they're going to blow up on YouTube or they need views to their sales funnel, all this stuff. And then they don't upload anything. I see a video, like one video a month, or 4 or 5 months ago, they posted like 3 videos and then they post one more later on. You gotta get going. You gotta start. You gotta commit, right? If you want to make money in this game and you want to do it with YouTube, you gotta just go in, man. You gotta go all in. That's all it is to it. Start right now. When you hang up on this video, when you close this video, open up your camera, start recording right now, and make a video. Just talk. Like you see me, I'm stuttering and fumbling over my words, I had some stuff written down, I had basically what I wrote here pretty much written down, but that's it. There's no other script. Just get talking, get going, start it up, right? You gotta start somewhere. So just make it happen, okay? Guys, I know we talked a lot about this. Again, this is in the affiliate bootcamp, day 3. There's a bunch of great information in there. Joe is not the only one that provided some great information. A bunch of other great super affiliates. Again, totally free to get in there. So if you're interested on selling ClickFunnels as an affiliate, or anything else, you don't have to sell ClickFunnels. The training is just really great stuff. You can sell your own product or be an affiliate for other products as well. But I definitely recommend jumping in the affiliate bootcamp, because I don't know, I have a feeling they're going to shut it down soon, because they could charge thousands of dollars for this training, literally, but they're giving it away for free. So again, I'll leave that link down below where you can check that out. And that's really it. That's all I got for you. I hope you enjoyed that, and I would love to talk with you guys more in the comments below if you have any questions. And if I brought you any value in this video, please consider subscribing with the bell on, so this way you're notified every time I upload a new video. I got some really cool stuff coming, especially if you're interested in learning how to grow your YouTube and use it to fill your sales funnel to make money online. That's what this channel is all about. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.